Hello everyone, this is Tamashri from Peaks Impact. Today we have an ST guest, Miss Caesar Bharati, who is at Ford Motors doing general manager, product development. Well, be recommend ma'am. Thank you. Yeah, so how is CID for now, ma'am? The students, the why, the colors.
Awesome, actually. Not like the colleges where we were studying, right? All the entire 4 years we were at the theory and some practical impact, right? But I've seen that of the starting from the first year or second year itself, you are into the practical, right? You are attracting the industries, getting the projects from them, started doing as your ongoing project stay. And after 3 years, right? The fourth year, almost like you are doing a industrial project directly, and there are a lot of exposure is happening excited where you get whatever the field you wanted to be, there is a catch for everybody. Okay, that is good to know.
Yeah, it's our logo to do it that way because we want to help our students to get a rope to all these things so they can excel in these. With your help also, this for sure. Yeah. Now, as the woman, I think there are a lot of things we are held back. It's a controversial, or it might be diffusion for a woman because we have seen women has been held back in the society when men is pushed into it. So being at automation, innovation, and robotics, yeah, especially when a car is tangible, a mill.
See, whatever they held back the bird, right? So that is started change in a decade before, right? The era where actually I started coming, right? So it was like that's when actually many women started coming into the industry. Okay, so it's like nothing like okay, this industry is for men, this industry is meant for women, nothing like that. Okay, but it took some time for people to realize that. Okay, so industry is not meant only for men. The industry in the sense actually the automotive industry I am talking about. Okay, so it's not about physics. Okay, it is about what you learned, you are going to implement it. Okay, how this is getting developed in the IT world, same like it's happening for the mechanical field as well. Okay, so people started uh, taking the changeover. Okay, I think the difference is not there currently because I see more people into the mechanical or the automobile field, right? And once you come into the industry, you come to know that okay, the opportunities and platform are wide open for everyone equally. Okay, only thing is not if everyone is physically there to grab it, right? So in the sense actually whoever have a wish to join there, right? So they're not staying there for a long or not long, actually, not staying there till they reach the right place. Okay, so due to the various break, where women having more constraints, so they put on themselves. Okay, I need to take a break. Then there is a maternity. I need to take a break. So when there is a family situation, commitments and everything. But even that, right, without taking a break, you can move on. Okay, so that's how women also going, right? So they are also having this. They're also having family, so they're able to sustain, right? Why can't women?
Even I have that doubt. Yeah, a woman after giving birth, she's been at home doing the taking care of a child. It's not same. It's the same responsibility for a man, right? Why he's be gone forward, but women are just peel back.
See, we ourselves raise our hand first. Okay, I will take care of the baby, right? So that mindset should be it is an equal responsibility. Okay, so it's not about only women need to take care of the family or kids, right? It is now equal, and we can do that without taking a break, right? So there are not lot of supporting system available. You have take care. Do you have in companies also providing with a crash where you could take your baby even you're coming to office. So during the break, you can go and visit them. So it's like more supporting systems are available. Only thing you need to use that, right? You don't inquire about what other things are available. So that should not be the impact. That's what I will say.
Sure enough, Monday will be sitting as a CEO. Yeah, sure, sure. Lot of CEOs are already there, but after the maternity, I'll talk about it. So I'm on. Hopefully, I'll be one of them in near future. Okay, yes, I am. I just want to be in that in their life. Sure, sure. And moreover, what inspired you, ma'am? The inspiration all through these setbacks, whatever it came, whatever the obstacles has been thrown on your way. That should be some inspiration, a positivity to be even in that stage.
Okay. Yeah. See, if I take the industry, right, my first company, Tough It, CEO is Mallika Srinivasana, and the head of IT is also Shobhanana. Okay. Then I come to the company Ford, where there are a lot of women there at the senior leadership position. So then I was thinking, okay, see, it's like opportunities are available. Only thing we are not taking that. So I wanted to create that path. Okay, what needed to reach there. Then I started analyzing. It's not that okay while study I wanted to become like that. So I didn't have that. Okay, but once I get into this profession, then I started looking at the people. Okay, so when you see the people in front of us, okay, in a senior position, then we'll have a yeah, we'll like we should go there.
Yeah.
So and another person actually I inspire is not into the automotive industry is Jayata. Okay, so how she wrote different but correct. So it is like be her inspiration all about. Honestly, we have to see. Okay, and we need to create our own path. That's what actually I always did. See, it won't come to you automatically. Only thing you need to look into that so that you will get that.
True, Inaka. I'll look into it. I keep that power on my end. Go forward it. Make everyone a equal sector in the society. And now I want to sneak peek in how the Ford models work in their designing to the planning to the executions.
So we call that as a program life. Okay. So there will be first comes with a planning day. Okay, for which market, what kind of product needed. Okay, so they will design it. It includes the content needed for that. Okay, once that is framed right, then it give taken to the engineering team to design portion of it. Right. So designing will include the designing, validation throughout the design, then the releases. Okay, now then after that it will be the productionization, industrialization. Right. So once it is done, there will be a production will be there to prove out our design. Okay, it's all working as intended. Okay, once all the validation is done, then it is rolled out to the production to the customers. So it's the same.
The problem when it comes to marketing, ma'am, because there left a lot of foundation in the automobile sector. Let it be your decent acquired like a Jaguar with versus PT, Ferrari, whatever it might be. That would be an
See, what I explained is from the engineering perspective, the development perspectives. In parallel, the marketing equally do. They market, okay, so there is a product coming, so what needs to be done, where it should be placed, at what pricing it should be do, and what is the other competitors that are available in the field. So during the planning phase, right, these inputs collected and given, okay, planning is not only engineering will do. So planning include all the functions, okay. So each function will come bring their input straight to it. So that will decide what product. So marketing will do that in parallel. So I'll say, okay, not all product is getting win in the market, but it depends. But that work will be doing it upfront as well.
that's very impressive thing, ma'am. As we come to a conclusion, I like to add a last word appeal to this upcoming generation in our society.
Okay. So what I'll say is actually be clear on what you want to do. Okay. If you put 100% effort towards it, you will rock it. Okay. Only thing you have to make that path. Okay. And believe in smart work over the hard work because you need to understand where you have to put your efforts up. So you have to do the self-analysis, think actually where I need to put my effort. Okay. That smartness plays a major role when you are into the industries. Okay. So also I'll say that you need to speak up wherever you have to. Okay, don't hesitate. Otherwise, somebody else will take your opportunity up. Okay, so be clear on what you want and where you want it to be. Okay, and if you need any help, ask it. If you are not clear on something, get it clarified. Okay, and also I'll say that if something you are not able to do it, don't hesitate and delegate a job to someone else. Okay, so the platform is wide open only. Okay, so anybody can make it. So it is like you have to come forward and take the opportunity in front of you.
It's a confidence in ourselves.
Yes.
Must be in yourself in the projector. Sure enough, ma'am. I'll sure rock it out. Thank you for your wonderful session.
Thank you.